Getting started on a new project or repository can sometimes be a little bit of a challenge because I don't have the background, the institutional knowledge to understand where it is that I should, get started. Fortunately, with GitHub Copilot on github.com, I can use this as my pair to begin to explore. I'm going to start off here by asking for the most recent release for this project, thinking that if I can get an understanding of what we've most recently pushed, this can help me get jump started. I see what the release is and some really nice high-level overview information about it. I'm going to continue to dig by opening up that release, seeing the documentation here, and then opening up the related issue. What's great about issues is it can give me a really nice sense of the conversation that's taking place, but I don't necessarily want to read through everything that's been written here. I'm going to go back to Copilot and ask it to summarize everything that's in there. I see an overview, a code snippet, and now I have an understanding of what's been talked about in this issue without necessarily having to read through every single entry. Satisfied with my understanding of the issue, I'm going to open up the pull request, and I can see this pull request has a total of 25 commits. I'm going to take a look at the first one so I can see some of the code that's being used here. And the challenge that I now have is, since I'm new to this project, I don't really have a good understanding of what this code is trying to do. Fortunately, I go right back to Copilot and ask for a description. Copilot will let me know the changes that are involved with this commit and what it is that it's doing for this project. The last challenge that I have, though, is I keep seeing this entry about Rule A210.1. And again, since I'm new, I have no idea what this is. I'm going to go right back to Copilot, ask that question, and it will tell me what that rule is all about. So by utilizing GitHub Copilot right here inside of github.com, I can get a really nice understanding of this repository and allow me to contribute in a meaningful way that much faster.